Some parents buy their children a large number of toys to play with. What are the advantages and disadvantages for the child of having a large number of toys? Model answer. Nowadays, a lot of toys, ranging from simple dolls to complicated electronic gadgets like video games, are provided for some children by their parents. I think this is not a problem provided children are sufficiently active and care for their toys. One of the important advantages of children having lots of toys is that there are different games for them to play. They can choose one of their toys according to their mood and taste, and are less likely to become bored. Besides, they would certainly be able to learn a wider variety of skills like problem solving or organization. Different toys can teach them different things, which means that the more toys they have, the more they are likely to learn. However, having a lot of different toys could possibly lead to children becoming overweight, since many modern toys like video games and Legos, which are very common these days, are usually played indoors. Therefore, they would definitely reduce children's physical activity, leading them to gain extra weight. Furthermore, when kids have too many toys, it is likely that they will take less care of them. In other words, they will probably not learn to value them if there is always a replacement ready to play with. Consequently, they would not learn to appreciate their belongings. In conclusion, I believe that children benefit from an abundance of toys which offer them variety, as well as teaching them more varied skills. However, it is important that they keep an active lifestyle and are taught to value every toy. Total, 260 words. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.